Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to do a get ready with me. I already added primer and moisturizer. So I'm just grabbing NYX Studio Perfecting Primer. And then just gonna add that right here. I'm just gonna go in with the NARS, and this is in the shade SYRACUSE. And then I'm just going to apply it right there. Ooh, what was that? And then we're just going to go in with the Morphe Beauty Blender and then just start blending. Today has been like the hottest day. Like this past few days of the week has been like a bit cloudy. Here in the Central Coast, it's where the acne at though? Where the red spots at though? And of course, nothing new. I'm just gonna grab my Shape Tape in the shade medium, draw 2 lines. Dude, it is hot. I am sweating as I'm doing my makeup and I can feel the sweat coming through. My sweat is literally coming through, bruh. I used to live in the Bay Area for like 5 years. And then I came back to my hometown, Central Coast, Santa Barbara. The hoodness in me comes from living in the Bay Area. Now we're going to go bronze up our face using Give Me Sun from MAC. Why do I keep wanting to call it Sun Kiss? We're going for a Sun Kiss look. I don't know, I feel like this appears more as a reddish than a bronze. There's a lot of hype on this, so I wanted to give it a try. But I don't know, it's just more like a reddish tone to me than a bronzer.
I'm not going to the gym.
Where are you going?
Get ready.
We're going to Rosarito. I'm going to pick through this. I've never done pink eyes, ever. So since I got this palette, I want to try messing with new colors. They're super pigmented. And then, ooh, I'm going to change to a crease shadow brush, and this is from Revlon. I'm going to grab this reddish kind of color. I'm going to deepen up that. And then I'm going to grab this purplish shade right here. And then go kind of like on the crease, above the crease. And then start going back and forth. There's that. Oh gosh, I need a burp. Okay, so now we're going to go and cut the crease with the... It's just a flat brush, and I'm just grabbing from the Shape Tape concealer. Grab this glitterish pink and apply it right there. This is how it swatches. It's really pretty. Can you see it or no? I'm gonna go with another flat brush. It's much bigger than the one we used to cut our crease, and then I'm just gonna grab that with the brush and add it to the areas where we couldn't go with our fingers. This is Scarlet from Huda Beauty. It's been used like 4 times maybe. Now we're gonna add STILA, and this is in the shade Wanderlust. We're just gonna add this at the very inner part right there. You guys wanna know how ugly I am? I'm so ugly that look.
Ain't you ugly as hell?
This is STRIPDOWN from MAC. And we're going to grab, what is this? I can't read this. Stockholm? It's kind of like a pinkish. I was going to say that is it for the completed look, but my bottom eyes look naked. So, gotta do something about that. Okay, so I'm just gonna go back. I don't even know what shade I have on this. I wish these Morphe palettes had like a mirror right here so we could be like, da-da-da-da, you know, but. So I'm gonna grab the reddish again. And then just add that underneath. And then grabbing that bright pink. I'm actually surprised I didn't get that much fallout. Hold on. Yeah, I didn't get fallouts. Oh my god. Lips are completed. Eyes are completed. What else? I feel like I'm missing something. Mascara. This is the telescopic foundation. Mascara. Oh my god. Just to make it more dramatic, we're gonna add more glitter. Grab this banana shade from the Kat Von D palette, and then just add, oh my god, I'm shaking right now. I'm gonna add it under my eye just to brighten up my bottom eyes. This was my first time attempting a pink look. Obviously, I always stay with my very neutral looks, and that is exactly why I wanted to buy the 35B. I heard they no longer sell these online, so I went to Morphe store in Brea Mall. No, I went to Cerritos in LA, and they had the palette, and I was like, okay, we buying it. So yeah, I love the palette. It has 0 fallouts, at least for my experience. You guys saw that as I was doing this eye, I didn't have any fallout right here. And that is freaking amazing. For the colors being super bright, pigmented, 0 fallout. It's like, what the fuck, Morphe? What are you doing? Hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And yeah, I love you guys. Bye.